Did you know that the Sagrada Familia has been under construction for over a century? It may be surprising, but the builders are expected to complete the highlight in 2026. Antoni Gaudi, the mastermind behind the project, was also buried here, as it was his vision that created such a sophisticated project. However, he's not the only one being remembered. To honor all those who tirelessly work in building the attraction, they had to embed the faces of the builders within the stone of the Sagrada Familia. Plus, did you know that the attraction isn't exactly a cathedral? Most visitors assume it is one, but after Pope Benedict XVI declared it a basilica, it stopped being a cathedral. The tallest religious building in Europe is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so what's not to love? Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.